So here we have a clip of Rihanna arriving at Dior fashion show. And there's a little exchange that takes place here. Go ahead and play the clip here.
Is there sound?
Almost 1 million views. You're going to need the sound here, Will. Play the clip. Oh, baby. All right. You can pause that now. So you can see here, pause it right there. You can see she's very pregnant, showing off the pregnancy.
ASAP Rocky? Yeah.
Thanks, Will.
It's a mini ASAP?
Thanks, Will. She's very pregnant, and she's walking pregnant, with the stature and the elegance. And someone shouts at her, "You're late." Someone shouts, "You're late."
Oh, okay. To the event, I'm assuming.
Yeah, you're late, Rihanna. And in stride, without any breakage,
Okay.
she
Let's hear it.
turns her gaze to the individual and she says, "No shit."
That's pretty badass.
And just so casually and comfortably.
Yeah. Like, I'm Rihanna. Did you forget?
Holy. And the people love it.
Yeah.
The Rihanna fans, they love it. That she handles herself in that way.
Very graceful.
And that she is not surprised that she's late, that she knows already that she's late, and that maybe even she intended to be late.
Fashionably?
It might even be fashionably late. Isn't that an interesting concept, fashionably late?
Yeah.
Have you ever been fashionably late to a fashion show?
Not on purpose. Like, I never made the decision I'm going to be fashionably late.
Right. But you also don't want to be too early.
No, I think that's way worse.
That's unfashionable. Like, why is this guy here an hour before I told him to be here?
I'm making food right now.
Get
for
the
you.
hell out of here. It's so rude. You ever had that happen to you, Will? Where somebody shows up earlier than they're supposed to?
Yeah. There's a friend.
Oh, you don't want to go into it.
And it's always early. And it's always
I like
awkward.
that there's a friend.
But did you bring it up already? Like, can you talk about it? Did you already say to them, "Hey, why are you coming so early?"
No.
Oh, you didn't even say that?
No.
Will just allows it.
Will, you got to say it. Otherwise, you're harboring this resentment.
That's true, yeah.
You got to say, "Hey, what's going on, man?"
Got to be more straightforward with it. But,
I told you to be here.
It's not like super early. It's not like an hour early.
What is it, half an hour?
No, just like 10 minutes, 15 minutes.
Oh,
and it's
that's-
always consistent.
Oh,
that's the thing.
don't be angry about
I'm
that.
not angry. No.
10 or 15, I don't like it.
Sure.
For me in my life, either be right on time or 5 minutes late.
Yeah.
That's ideal. That's ideal.
I like right on time. Just be on time.
Are you a big right on time guy?
Yeah.
It depends on the engagement as well, by the way, like the casualness of the engagement. If it's, there are some, my life is so regimented, Will.
Oh, man. I was just thinking, you haven't watched The Irishman, right?
No.
Oh, they have a crazy scene with Al Pacino and another character
Big Al.
about being late.
Oh, damn.
It's an amazing scene.
And is it about the right amount of late?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, no, I feel that,
Just
man.
like those little intricacies.
Well,
of
that's where the concept
5
comes,
minutes, 10
comes
minutes.
from, of fashionably late. Like, there is a moment that you can arrive and have maximum impact, right? Where everyone's like, "Ah, man, that guy's here," and it's definitely not right at the time. It's somewhere around 5-10 minutes later. Maybe it's 15, depending on the invite. Like, if it's a barbecue, let's say it's a thing that goes on all day, you can easily be 15 minutes late.
Oh, yeah.
It's no problem.
I think the more relaxed social
environment.
gathering is, the more late you could be. It's more forgiving.
So the guy who's showing up early on you,
Will's poor friend.
what is his expectation when he's early? Can he wait in the car a little bit, or
No, he comes right in.
he's banging on the door?
Yeah.
Let me.
Well,
have
not
it.
banging in, but, And I have etiquette, and just let him in.
Right.
Hang out for a little bit.
And you're not ready.
Will's
No,
in a
we're
towel.
just chilling. We're just chilling. If it's at my place, it's like a social gathering, it's chill, it's fine.
But
If it's not like a crazy event that we're going to, it's okay.
No, for sure. But what I'm wondering, like, I'm assuming if you're having more than one person over, you're like preparing, like you're mentally preparing. You're also might be preparing. He said food,
Sure, yeah.
things like this.
Organizing some stuff, sweeping things,
Exactly.
last minute cleaning. I hear you. Yeah.
Exactly. So other people have to predict that that's what you would be doing.
Mhm.
And then therefore that's where it comes in.
Yeah. Yeah. It's not super frustrating or anything,
Yeah.
but it's just something I noticed.
Are you going to talk to him about it?
Maybe.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay. All right.
We'll see.
I'm glad we got to the bottom of that. That was riveting stuff. Very important stuff.
Yeah.
Very important stuff.